Hey, I'm Jude from AppsFlyer. Welcome back to Marketing Decoded, your source for all things digital marketing. In this video, we'll talk about a demand-side platform, aka a DSP, what it is, how it works, the main benefits, and which one to use. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for all the latest content on digital marketing. A demand-side platform is a type of software that allows advertisers to buy and manage ads with the help of automation. Basically, DSPs allow you to manage multiple ads across multiple real-time bidding networks. So how do they work? A DSP employs artificial intelligence and machine learning to guide advertisers to the best place for their ads at the best price. At the same time, these ads target people who are most likely to convert. While there are many benefits, the four universal ones are having a more efficient workflow for ad buying, lowering ad costs, expanding access to ad exchanges, and creating custom audience criteria. Now that you know the benefits of a DSP, how do you choose one? Ask yourself these three questions. 1. Does it cover the basics? 2. Does it optimize for specific KPIs? And 3. Does it give you access to the supply that you need? And that just about covers the basics of demand-side platforms in this edition of Marketing Decoded. But if you want to dive deeper, check out the links below. And also don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay up to date on all things digital marketing. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.